Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB on Design Developer. Like you all know that previously on we have covered up many of the things using Python in artificial intelligence, and I hope you are enjoying that videos which we have covered up. And using Python in artificial intelligence we have built many of the projects, like we have built many of the management systems and many of the working programs, and I hope you enjoy that all things which we have done yet. So today we are also building an amazing management system. Today I will be telling you basically how to build an amazing hospital management system from start to end using Python in artificial intelligence. And I hope you'll be enjoying today's video as well. So if you enjoy and just like this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos. And remember to share this video also so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. And I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that videos as well. Remember to check that out because that videos will be also giving you help moving forward, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that things. So just we'll be starting with our today's video of hospital management system. But before that, you can check my all the previous videos which I have uploaded using Python in artificial intelligence, and I've also built projects using machine learning, data sciences, and many other Python stuff. Like we have also used Python with Django, Python with Flask, means we have also used the frameworks of Python. And soon I will be bringing up big tutorial of Python with Django or Python with Flask, in which I'll be telling you all the things related to Python and their frameworks. We'll be also building simple websites and portfolios using these frameworks in Python, and I hope you'll be enjoying that things as well. But today in today's video, I will be basically telling you that how we can build this amazing hospital management system. We'll be building all the things which are user needed to run its own hospital management system, and how a user can run its own hospital management system. It will be really amazing video, and this project will be also giving you help if you are moving forward and want to open your own hospital management system. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we are building this amazing hospital management system using Python in artificial intelligence from start to end. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just working with our project of hospital management system, and we'll be building this using Python in artificial intelligence. So now we'll be starting with our project. So for working with this amazing project, here you have to open your VS Code, and after opening the VS Code, here you have to now just you have to close all the files, and then you have to open new window. After opening new window, here I will be opening my folder which is created on the desktop with the name of this, you can say here it hospital management system. Then I will be pressing select folder to open this. After opening this folder, these are the main files from which we'll be working. So here I will be working with this file. So I'll be moving here, and then I will be now just erasing all the codes from here. After erasing these all codes, here I'll be saving and pressing Ctrl V to close side panel. And then here when you've written, we have to import some of the thing here. So for importing, just you have to move down, right here, import from Flask. You will be thinking that we are working with Flask. We are not working with Flask. Basically, this is the library which you have to download. But I think that you should you don't have to download this library. It will be already installed in your Python operating system. But if you are using older version Python, so you have to download. And if you are using newer version, so you don't have to download this. So here I will be now writing import Flask like this. And after importing, just you have to write comma sed underscore. Then after writing this underscore, you have to write from directory, and then here you have to write comma render underscore template, and then you have to just move down right here from Flask, and after writing Flask, I'll be writing underscore restful import, and then you have to just write here resource. So you don't just worry about these all errors. We'll be solving these errors when we'll be moving forward. So I will be now writing here API. Then you have to just move down right here from package. After writing this, here I will be writing patient. Then right here import. After importing, here I will be now writing patients again, and then write again patient. Then you have to just write here from package this time. Then write here doctor. Import, and after importing, here I will be writing doctors comma doctor. So here I will be now writing doctor. Then after writing this, here I will be writing from package dot, then write here appointment, import. Then I will be now writing here appointments. After writing this appointments, here I will be now writing appointment. Here you have to write from package, and after writing package, here I will be writing common input, or you can say import. And in import, I will be now just writing here common. So here I will be writing, then right here import JSON. So here I will be now importing JSON here. Then I will be just moving down, and after moving down, here I will be writing with open and write here config.json. And after writing this, here I will be writing as data files, and here you have to just now move down and then write here config is equals to right here json.load, and here I will be now just writing data file. So here you have to now just write here data underscore file, then write here app is equals to class, which we have written at the top. And after writing this, here I will be now just writing underscore name. So here I will be now writing underscore name, then write here comma, and write here static method, or you can say static underscore URL path is equals to, then write this column. And here you have to move down. After moving down, I will be writing API is equals to API, and write here app. And here you have to write API dot add resource. And after writing this, here I will be now just making this tag, and then I will be writing here patient. So here you have to write patients, then here you have to write dots, or you can say slash patient like this. Then move down, and here you have to write API dot underscore resource. So here I will be writing resource, and then write here patients again like this. And after writing patients, here you have to just move at the top and then write here resource as well. And then you have to write here slash patient, and then after writing this patient, here you have to write init, and then write here ID. Then when you've written this, I will be moving down, and then after moving down, just here I will be pressing backspace, and here I will be just writing API dot add, and then I will be writing resource, and write here patients. So here I will be now writing comma, then I will be writing slash patients like this. Then you can say here I will be writing doctor. Now when you've written this, just I will be now writing here doctors as well. So here I will be now writing doctors here like this. Then when you've written this, just I will be moving down right here add resource, then I will be writing here doctor, and here I will be now just writing slash doctor like this. Then I will be now writing slash init, then write here ID, and then you have to close it. After writing this, here you have to move down right here API dot add resource, and after writing this, here I will be writing appointments. So here I will be writing, then you have to write comma and write here slash appointment. So here I will be now writing, then you have to just move down and then write here API dot add resource. So here I will be writing and write here appointment again, then you have to write here comma slash appointment, and then write here slash init, then write here D. Here you have to just move down, and here I will be now writing ID not D. So here you have to write ID, and after writing here you have to write API dot add resource, then I will be now writing here common comma, then here I will be now just writing here slash common. Then you have to just move down after this tag and write here at the rate app dot, then I will be writing here root, and here when you've written this, just you have to write slash def index, and then you have to move down right here return app dot set, and then I will be writing here static underscore file. And after writing this, just here I will be now writing this tag and then write here the file name like this. Now when you've written this, here you have to just now do one thing. Here you have to just now move down after this tag, and then after moving down, here you have to write if underscore name like this. Then here I will be writing underscore is equals to, then I will be now just writing here main, then write this tag and then write here app dot run like this. After writing here I will be writing debug is equals to true, then you have to write here host is equals to config, then write here host like this. And after writing, then you have to write here port is equals to config and write here port like this. Now when you've written this thing, just here you have to now save it, and after saving this, here you have to move to this file here which is called setup.py. So this is our file here from which we'll be working. So here for moving on to this setup.file, here you have to write this utils, then here you have to write .core import setup like this, then write here setup here like this thing. Then in this setup I will be writing name hospital management, then I will be writing here system, here you have to write comma, then write here version is equals to, write here 2.7, and right here packages is equals to right here package. Then right here URL is equals to like this, write license is equals to, and then here you have to write like this. Then you have to write here author is equals to, and then here you can write any of the author names. So I will be writing my name. Then right here author email is equals to, and right here like this random email I will be writing here, the rate gmail.com. Then here I will be raising this. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing at the rate like this. Now when you've written this thing, just I will be moving down and right here description is equals to, then I will be writing here hospital, then right here management system. So here I will be writing for college, then I will be writing here Python course like this. Now you can see we have just written these all stuff, and after writing these all things, here I will be just now giving comma here as well. Then here you have to give here, and then here. So you can see now we are not getting any error. So after this you have to save these all stuff, and then you can see we are just now getting all this stuff which we want. So here after getting these all things, here you have to now move to your file. So here after moving to this file, you can see we are just getting import Flask from here. So we are now getting from Flask RESTful, and after getting these all things, here I will be now moving, and then here you have to save. So you can see we are now just getting these all stuff. So I will be now moving to this file. Here you can see this. Now you can just start your you can say you can start now your variable here. So for starting this hospital management system, you have to now run it. So for running, you have to just move to your file here, which is called app.py. Then we have to run it. So for running, you have to move here into your command prompt, because from CMD we run our Python and artificial intelligence softwares or management systems which we build. So our folder name was hospital management system. So I will be writing here hospital management system CD. And first of all we have to define desktop, because on desktop we were having our folder with the name of hospital management system. So here I will be writing, press enter. Now we are getting this. Here I will be writing the file with the name of setup.py. So you can see now we are just getting this. So here I will be writing hospital management, then I will be writing system.py. So you can see this, here we are getting these files. After getting these all things, here you have to move to app.py file. So here I will be defining app.py. Then you can see we are just getting all this stuff. So by getting, when you are getting these all things, so we have to run our hospital management system. So I'll be moving here. You can see here is our file. So here I will be now defining this. So I will be now copying this rename from here. And after copying, just you have to move and then close CMD from here. After closing, you have to open CMD again. Then right here CD downloads, then CD and paste this URL. Then we are again getting this same URL. So here I will be copying this. And after copying this, just here you can see this, we are just now getting this all stuff. So you can see here you can now static build, and you can also see this readme development environment. So you have to install these all stuff so you can just run it. So I will be now moving, writing here CD again, then write here CD this time, and then after writing this, here you have to now copy this thing and then paste it. So here you can now run it. So write here CD, and this time you have to now write here app.py. So here you have to write app.py to run it. So you can see this, here we are getting app.py or setup.py. So these are the two files from which you can start your system here. So you can just move here and then you can check it again like it is working or not. So here you can just move into your files. So we have to check that it is working or not. So here I will be now moving, and then I will be now writing here like this. So after writing these all stuff, here you have to move down and you have to check that it is working. So here I will be now moving and closing this. So after closing these all files, here we have to just now move to this, and you can see we are getting this. So here now you can start your server like I've telling you previously on. You have to just run this app. So you have to write here app.py to start that. So you can see now we are getting all this stuff. So now if I show you by opening it in the browser, so here I will be moving, then I will be now moving to this main file. Then I will be pressing this open with live server. By pressing this open with live server, we have to check it is working. You can see now we are getting our hospital management system. If I press patient, you will be moving to patient. You can add patient by writing its first name, last name. So if I just add here, like if I write my first name here, so you have to run it using you have to run your this Python software by using live server. Remember that thing. Then you can write any insurance number randomly, and here you can write any of the phone number which you want to write here random. You can just write here. Then give the address, anything you can give into the address, like here I will be now just getting and saving this. So you can see when you will be saving it, so your last name location will be saving it here. Then move here again, and then you can see this, it is now just telling you to the database, and you can see here it is working. So like this we can work with this our project here. I hope you understand how this hospital management system works. Here you can add your patients and you can work with this. So if you have understand how it works, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos. And remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. And I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope that will giving you help also. So just I'll be meet you next project. So for today, goodbye.